Qinimuzi. Hey, bona. Thatha. Hawu thatha yena umuzwa kahle. Thatha. 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 Busitho. Thatha.
Hi guys, this is before my birthday. The time now is 11:36 and this is a vlog, my birthday vlog. Just wanted to document my special day. For some reason I'm not excited for the day, but I know that the Lord will guide me. I have nothing planned tomorrow, so we're just gonna see how the day goes. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the rest of the vlog and like and subscribe. Guys, hope you guys are doing good. So I'm accompanying my friend to a graduation shoot, so that's what we're currently doing now. So far my birthday out of 10, let's give it a 7. Yeah, let's give it a 7. Yeah. So yeah, hope you guys are gonna enjoy the rest of the vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe.
I can vlog for you. You should hire me as your.
If body lang. Friend,
Sure. It's not direct to the sun because it will burn. Oh, I will. No stress. Sure. What's up guys, we're currently at the hotel
where we're gonna be shooting the ending. So still waiting for the person to come and fetch us. Yeah. That's the update for you guys. Keep on watching, boys. This place is very nice, like very nice. So these are the places we used to be in someday. We used to, like be permanent, not come to work here, but be permanent here. So yeah, just continue watching, boys. Continue watching, okay? Like and subscribe for more content like this always. Mr. Malina, how do you feel, my boy? We're done with the shoot. The shoot was very nice, nice exposure. Yeah, I met people that are interested. I saw a different world, but yeah, the shoot was nice, and man, met cool people. I did cool stuff. I saw a cool car. I was about to say that. Everything was cool today, so yeah. Thank you. Mesti piangan. Copyright and hi.
Hi,
How are you?
good evening.
I'm good.
Yeah,
Gonna be in the vlog.
yeah, it's on.
It's on.
Yeah.
10.
So wrong, bro. So wrong.
Three microtas.
Was it true?
Hi.
How are you? Clear? Mate, Hi.
Imalo?
Yo, deiner Sturm. Deiner Sturm. Deiner Sturm.
Akhona ezilalini mina. Khona ayiveli. Ngithe mina ethi XWYZ 92. But you know X phakathi. WX.
See, I was the one in the kitchen, say stood.
Isho istudio. Kaya number zala mntwana ophethe. And wala. Deiner Sturm. Wathi kuyashisa. Oh no. Witht, uyakhumulisikelele. Kwa wena luna zipinga yele mpanamo. No, kutwenga kupinga lapho.
It's going down, Oaks. Oh no.
Makuza kuyena. Oh. Another one.
Bekhala nabantu. Ban ayavuya. Vuya fena.
Kanye.
Yindoni. He's a smart toy,
It's not gonna show the score, but
Yeah. Hey. Wait. Yeah.
Mr. Q. What are the cards, boy?
What was the point?
What was that, man?
Yes, I'm on the top 3.
Yo, what's up, three, boy? Ay, 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 ninja. Ninja.
From 0 to where?
Hero.
0 to hero.
Join that down.
Hi.
Mister,
Yes, Mr. Spoon.
how are you?
I'm feeling good.
That's good.
Yeah,
How was the night?
very good.
That's good. That's good.
I wanted to beat it. I want to beat you though, but you won due to unforeseen circumstances.
Yes, yes, yes.
But it's fine.
It's forces we don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
Soon, soon. Go karting.
Yeah.
Deal.
Another round. Deal.
Deal.
Another round.
Sure. Ngitsibone nini ukuthi ngijahe.